Understanding Homeless Prevention, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore an important and compassionate topic, homeless prevention. This term might sound complex, but it's all about efforts to stop individuals and families from becoming homeless. Our goal is to break it down for you, so you can understand what it means and why it matters. Let's dive in. Homeless prevention refers to strategies, programs, and services designed to prevent homelessness before it starts. It's not just about providing a roof over someone's head but addressing the root causes that might lead to homelessness. These causes can include financial instability, lack of affordable housing, health issues, and unemployment. By tackling these issues, communities can help people remain in their homes or find stable housing options. Homeless prevention is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it's a matter of human dignity. Everyone deserves a safe and stable place to live. Secondly, preventing homelessness is often more cost-effective than addressing it after it happens. It can save communities money on emergency services, healthcare, and other social services. Lastly, it helps build stronger, more supportive communities where everyone has the chance to thrive. There are various strategies involved in homeless prevention, including emergency rental assistance, providing financial aid to those struggling to pay rent due to unforeseen circumstances like job loss or illness, housing counseling, offering advice and assistance to individuals and families to help them manage their housing situation effectively, support services, providing access to healthcare, job training, and education services to address the root causes of potential homelessness, legal support, assisting individuals facing eviction with legal advice and representation. Everyone can play a role in preventing homelessness. Whether it's by donating to local shelters and organizations, volunteering your time, or simply spreading awareness about the issue, your actions can make a difference. Remember, small acts of kindness and support can lead to big changes in your community. We hope this video has helped you understand more about homeless prevention and why it's such an important issue. By working together, we can help ensure that everyone has a place to call home. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. See you in the next video.